everyone, it's Claire here at the Fun Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how to make seafood spaghetti. Let's get to it. Here's the ingredient. This type of seafood that we need. It's we're having shrimp tonight and scallop. We'll have spaghetti. We also will need heavy cream. We will need some salt. We need black pepper. We also need some basal, Parmesan cheese. First, we're gonna wash the spaghetti and we are going to wash the seafood. First, we will need to start boiling the spaghetti. We will turn on high fire. Now we're gonna wash the seafood. All the shrimp of the shell, and we have to rinse it one more time. Let's add some salt, pepper, a little bit of sesame oil. We'll mix it. These are the scallop. Let's start cooking the seafood. Turn the fire up. We will wait until the wok is hot before we put the seafood in. We have to remain high fire. So let's put in the scallop. So let it cook for about 1 minute or and a half. And now we're putting in all the shrimp. So it's been 20 minutes now. Let's see if the spaghetti is ready. The chopstick can break it easily now, so it means the spaghetti is ready. So we can turn the fire off. Let's pour the water out. These seafoods are ready now. So we can turn the fire off for now because I'm going to transfer the spaghetti into the wok. Turn the fire back on. And this time we're gonna turn the fire to medium. So let's add a little bit more salt and add a little bit more black pepper. For those who like cheese a lot, you can add more. This is done. It's ready to serve. So this is seafood spaghetti with scallop and shrimp. It's very easy to make. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next video.